So this is a really small computer case I bought for my Ryzen PC. It's it's mATX. It's really small, no optical drive bay, nothing. I will show it to you in another video how the components fit. But the main problem I have to fix now is that it doesn't have any feet. And I want to use this ventilation in the front. The computer case is upside down. So these are the legs I want to put on, basically bottle caps to raise the bottom of the case so it can intake some air on the bottom. I also widen this hole. I will widen it some more like that to have enough ventilation for the 130 watts of the total system. I think it should be enough. And if not, then I'll have to put some more fans in. There are some more ventilation holes. Okay, so I'm gonna hot glue the bottle caps here. I'll fill the bottle cap first. Fill the bottle cap or fill this? I don't know. But the main problem is that this doesn't fit perfectly. It moves around. So I have to put on a sheet of metal I found that is straight. When I glue on this, I'll put on the sheet so it will stay level, you can say. It will stay level until it hardens. Then do the same process for the other 4 feet. So let's see. I need some more hot glue in the gun. And let's feel the feet. They are not even dry yet. Hold on. What? Doesn't matter. So let's try filling the feet and then putting it on and leveling it. Stupid gun, come on. More. More. More, please. Oh yeah. Maybe I just fill it like that. Let it harden and then fill it some more. Let's try that with another 1, 2. Don't fill it all the way. So I will put in a second coat, so to speak. Oh boy. This is just a 7-watt gun. You have to wait for it to heat up some more. Oh boy, let's clean that. This is not good. On the side wall it's not good. Oh boy, okay. So, it will stay like this. When I put in some more. But for now, let's just put on one. Do not waste any glue. Let's see if it works. Only if it works, then we'll put on the others too. Oh, it's still not. It's not hard yet. I just burned my finger a bit, but no problem. Let's try. Put in some more. that, like that, like that. Yes, put it on here and put on the sheet of metal to level it. Did I think that through? That's how it's gonna work. Maybe. It seems okay. Let's see the other one. Let's fill it. I need some more glue. And it's hard again. I have to wait for it to heat up. Cheap Chinese tool on a cheap Chinese computer case. What are you gonna do? But wait. You can always wait. Yeah. Let's wipe that off. This is still hot. It needs to cool down. Everything is hot but the glue gun. Come on, time is ticking. Like that. Let's put it on here and put on the sheet of metal to straighten it, maybe. I think that did it. Interesting. Okay. Then I'll do the other ones too. Fall down, yeah. I know the drill. Everything wants to fall down. So let's see here. I need some more glue, of course. Maybe two. And wait for the stupid gun to heat up. Mm-hmm. 4 more minutes on the video. This phone can't record more. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. I have to push this down because it's not full yet. With a toothpick or something. Push it side to side because it's too tall. Something like that. Yeah, it will be fine. as long as it doesn't harden in the wrong position, in the wrong places, like here. Let's put some here. 2 more minutes of the video. Well, I showed you how I did 2, so the second 2 will be mostly the same. If the video stops, then that's it. I'm not going to make another one. So let's see. Yes, maybe heat up some more. I really need to buy a stronger tool. This one was just $2. 7 watts. Oh boy. The standard, I mean the better tools are at least 20 or 30 watts. They can handle lots of glue per minute. It's hot enough, I think, so let's put on the third leg. Yeah. Oh boy, it fell. It fell. Ah, no, 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 no. You have to go there. Come on, pal. Just a bit. Let's level you out. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. He couldn't get away. So the video is almost over. Maybe 40 more seconds. And I'll be doing this for the fourth leg. I need to wait some more. Bye for now. Bye.